Matchain Airdrop Tracker is now live, and you can actually now go ahead and track your airdrop and do some of these other little tasks that will help boost your airdrop allocation. But before we go forward right now, there are certain apps you need for these whole stuffs you want to do right now. This is the first app you'll be making use of. You need a VPN. We are not launching the VPN immediately, but when it is time to launch that, I will show you as well. Then the second app you need is this Transgate. For those whose device isn't supporting Transgate, I would suggest you make use of either your laptop and download the extension. That's the Transgate extension. Or there are also some devices that supports extension, and if you're trying to connect it on your mobile phone, it is still going to connect. That is making use of your Kiwi or Mrs. browser. So try that as an alternative in case the mobile app for Transgate isn't available or isn't working for you. Another app you're going to be needing is your OKES wallet or your Biget wallet. Initially, when we're doing the project, this Matchain project, the wallet we actually used in connecting to a Matchain on Telegram was actually Biget wallet. If you could remember very well, when we even had to bridge the normal BNB on the BSC smart chain right into the Matchain BNB itself. So what we made use of then was Biget wallet, but you can actually make use of either Biget wallet or OKES wallet. For me, I'm going to be making use of OKES wallet. You can just import the same wallet you have on your Biget right into OKES. Next and the last app you're going to be needing is actually your Telegram. The same Telegram where you found the project, you're going to be needing that. So I'm going to go straight and show you the process step by step. Remember, as watching to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm logging in right now to the Telegram platform. Now on the Telegram platform, you can just click at that wallet and check if your wallet is still connected. If your wallet isn't connected, just click right there. You can decide to connect your Biget or your OKES wallet. Remember, they are literally the same. If you have your Biget wallet before and you connected, you can decide to import the same phrase right into OKES so that they can all be the same, right? And lest I forget, you will also be needing the Chrome browser. There were some stuffs that I needed to actually do, and I noticed I couldn't do them on the OKES wallet or even Biget wallet, and that really worked perfectly on the Chrome. And that's exactly some of the things you need to take note of. In case you're trying one platform and that is delaying or it's not working or not responding, try using another browser and check that out if it's gonna work. This particular project, we abandoned them for so long, and right now when they said it's almost time, we returned back to their platform, and I noticed I've actually minted some NFTs before, and as you can see right here, NFTs collected 6. So if you've actually done anything on the platform before, you should be seeing that right here as well. Okay, and if you haven't done anything, by the time you connect your wallet, you won't be seeing anything. And please, according to what they said, the same wallet you used back then to mint the NFT and do all this other, get these other little tokens and do the bridging, that is exactly the same wallet you're going to be needing. In fact, if you don't connect this same wallet, you're going to have serious issues and you may likely be disqualified from the drop. Now, another thing we'll come back into is to come right here where we have the tags, and right under the tags, what we're actually going to be doing is to perform the tags that has to do with Match ID passport. Okay, the next thing you're going to be doing right now is this. Check the link at the comment section below and let's get the Match ID website. After clicking right at that link, it actually redirected me to Chrome. Okay, you can decide to copy the URL and take it to your OKES. So I can decide to click right at the top there and then copy this link. You can click right here to copy or click the share to copy. So if you want You take this right into your OKS and do the first login right there. Or if you want, go ahead and do your login right here. So right here, still on the Chrome, without even copying anything to OKS yet, I can decide to just click on login and log in using my Telegram. When I click on login using Telegram, now you can see it's asking me to log in. In your own case, if you haven't logged in on the Chrome browser before, you may likely be asked to log in your normal Telegram right on your Chrome browser. Okay, so once you've logged in your account, you will be seeing something like this. You're going to go ahead and click on it, and after clicking on it, it should automatically log you in, like you can see right here. I would suggest you follow it this way. I think I need to share one of these major issues that I had when logging on to the platform, especially this particular account. Now, you saw earlier when I was coming right here before logging in, they gave me several options to use and logging in. And one of the options they gave was actually to log in using wallet. For me, I went and logged in using my Matchain wallet. That is the same wallet that I used in farming the project. Now, after coming onto the platform, after logging on using that wallet, I came right here because after you've logged in like this, if you logged in using the wallet, you're going to come right here and you will still need to bind all other wallet address. Okay. Now, you need to actually come right to the social because that is one of the most important thing. You need to bind your Telegram, the same Telegram you used in farming the project. Now, if you click on bind, remember I said I made a mistake. Instead of logging in using my Telegram, I logged in using wallet. And when I came right here and I tried binding my Telegram, I now started seeing message like I can't bind this Telegram account to this wallet because the Telegram account has been bound to another wallet. And that gave me tough time to resolve. But here was what I did. What I did was I just decided to connect another wallet entirely, that's Solana, because this EVM address is the most important, and the Telegram, because that was exactly what you used. The EVM address is what you use in minting all those NFTs and what you use in buying those little tokens and doing some of the bridging and the interaction you did on their blockchain. So this one is the most important, followed by the Telegram where you farmed the project. So if you can't combine them in one, then you automatically have an issue. So since I already logged in using the wallet, I couldn't even connect the Telegram until I came right here and disconnected it. So the next thing I did was that I actually bounded another wallet. Probably you can just bind any Thorn wallet, and after binding Thorn wallet, then you click at this icon at the front. I'm just saying this in case of those who may likely experience this kind of problem as well. Or maybe you're trying to connect your wallet, they are saying this wallet has been connected to another account before. This is exactly the simple solution. Simply connect a new wallet, and after connecting a different wallet on another blockchain, click right here and disconnect this one by clicking at that icon. And after clicking on that, it automatically disconnects it. So you can now return back and log in afresh. Now, this time around, when you're logging in, you're going to be logging in using your normal Telegram account. And after logging into your Telegram, that is when you will now connect your EVM, and that should automatically connect for you. But you may likely have some delays trying to connect EVM using Chrome browser. So I would suggest, if you couldn't connect the EVM on Chrome, I would advise after logging in your Telegram, before you even go ahead and connect your EVM, click on social. Still on this same Chrome, go ahead and bind your Discord, X, and these. And once you've bound And once all these are showing bound, then you can decide to continue and do some right here. Okay, you can decide to click on the CEX API. I'll be showing you how to do this as well, and we're going to be doing this using some exchanges. And where you have the orders, click right there, and you can see this one is already bound to the account, and as well this one. All these are quite easy. Click on it, choose the email, then you click on authorize or confirm. It's as easy as that. Now remember the process once again. Come to the website. The first thing you're logging in through is login through your Telegram. And after logging in through your Telegram, come right here to social, connect all these other ones you have right here, and come to where you have orders and connect these platforms. If you have only the email or the Google, use only the Google. All right. And if you have this other one, or you can decide to sign up on this platform, and you go ahead and connect your account. And even if you don't have an account right here, when you click on it, you'll be asked to sign up. Then the next place you're going to come to is the Web3 wallet. Click at that Web3 wallet. And where you have this tone, remember, don't connect this EVM address yet. Okay. Click at the tone, connect your Tone Keeper or your Tone wallet or whatever wallet you're connecting. And if you want to bind more wallet, click on show more. Anyone you want to bind, you go ahead and bind that. So in your OKS, if you want, you can switch to the Matchain, and if you want, you can just leave it like this. Now in your OKS, you're clicking on discover. Remember, this OKS right now should be the same wallet you use in farming the project, either OKS or Biget wallet that you connected initially. Make sure it's the same, and if it's not the same, simply import your wallet down here to OKS or open this particular website on the Biget wallet and you continue. So I'm just gonna paste the URL right at the top here, clicking right here to search, and immediately I actually searched for this URL. It automatically logged me in, but you're gonna be clicking on login, and you will be logging in using your Discord, your X account, or your Google or your Telegram. Now, the reason why you can use any of these other ones is simply because you've connected it before. So once you've connected, you can actually use them to now access the platform. So once you've been able to log in, go ahead and click on start. If you click on the start the first time it didn't open, click on it again and click on where you have this info. You click on this EVM and connect your OKS. That's the same address that you have on their platform on Telegram where you did the on-chain transactions, the NFTs, and the rest. Right now, having done this particular one right here, every other time you want to log into the platform, you can decide to log in using your EVM alone. That is, using your wallet address instead of using Telegram to log in and all these other ones to log in. Now, they also posted a particular tracker on their Telegram channel. How do you even track your progress, or how do you check? Because every single thing that I've done right here is also reflecting on their tracker. So before I even continue with this, probably let me just launch the tracker. Their tracker is airdrop.matchain.io. Okay, if you come right to their tracker, let me just log out of this, disconnect. In this case, you're going to click on login. Then you're logging in using your wallet. The reason why you're logging in using your wallet now is because you have actually done all that before. You've connected your wallet, you've connected every other thing on the platform, you've connected it to your Telegram. So I'm clicking on confirm. My points are actually reflecting right here, and if you go down right here, you can see under match ID info. If you go back right to the platform, you will notice that there are actually 9 items I've completed, but they also made mention of something. They said you must actually have 1 right here. Your level must be minimum 1. So which means we'll still return back to this particular site and continue. But let's go down. My points on Telegram, if you can see right here, they're also reflecting. And that is why you have it right here. So these are, and my NFTs as well, since I connected the same wallet holding my NFT and everything, you can see they are all reflecting in one. If your own isn't reflecting like this, it simply means you've either connected the wrong wallet or you've linked your Telegram account to another wallet entirely, because you're meant to be able to track all your activities on their platform right here. You can see these are three major requirements: your NFTs, your match points, and this match ID info. So we are going straight to the match ID info. Lest I forget, the snapshot hasn't been taken. So what it simply means is that you can also do what you can right now in order to actually level up, right? The only thing that I'm not sure of is if you can still get more NFTs. And if you can still get more of the NFTs, you can just check right on their Telegram if that is really available. So I'm clicking on go right here to return back to the platform. And here is a match ID platform. Click right there. Okay guys, my voice actually went off, my mic went off. So you're going to be paying attention to these three things you're saying right now: the level, the info, and also the me. All right, I hope this is gonna work well. And then you'll be clicking on the me down here. All right, and right here you're meant to actually click on that passport, so you click right there and you can just tap the center of the passport. Okay, just tap, and then you return back after you've claimed that. Just return back, and you're returning back to home. Okay, and you can see the level right there, and then you can see the info. So you click right on the info, and then you're adding the CEX API, and right here you're adding forget. So you click right there, and the next thing is to log on to your Gate platform, and you're going to be copying and you're going to be creating the API key and the secret. So you will be clicking on more services below. And right here, just go down to the end of the page and you can see the API right there. Click right on it and just click on create API key. And right now you're going to be adding the remark. That's match ID. So right there you click on read only, and please ensure you leave yours as read only. Don't mistakenly click on where you have the write, that's read and write. If you click on the read and write, it simply means you're giving them the authority to take trades using your account. So you click on that, create, accept, and provide your password and your means of authorization, and you look down and click on OK. So after you've done that, you paste your key and everything, and this should successfully show this way. Okay, so I think we're gonna be doing Bybit, right? Let's add that one. And for the Bybit, you will be searching for API at the top. Instead of clicking at the icon at the top left, just click right there and search for API. API. Okay, you can see API right there, so click on it. It's literally the same on all centralized exchange, and this one is at the top left there. Click on create and click on that create. Choose the first one, system generated, and by default Bybit already has it as read only, so you don't need to change anything right here. All right, type in match ID right there, or whatever you want to type, just type, and then you go down and choose unified trading, and then you go down and submit. So you're going to be authorizing this as well. Click on send code and go get the code from your mobile number or wherever um you're doing. And you can see after providing the API for the Bybit, I've successfully added the Bybit. So you go ahead and do the rest as well. And after returning back, you click at the level, okay? And for the level, you're gonna have to do some of them. Now I've launched the VPN because this is where you've been needing the VPN and the ZK pass. And you can see this VPN super. So click right there, and right here using Italy. So since I've used Italy before and I want to make use of the same server, I'm clicking at history. So in case you don't have anything in your history, just go right and search for Italy or whatever server you want to use and make use of it. Now it's connected. I'm returning back to the platform right now. And you're going to go ahead and click, just start with any one of your choice. Okay, anyone you want to start with, you start. And if you click and you're seeing something like this, it simply means your app isn't really compatible, so you need to switch to Chrome, right? So you need to switch and log in on Chrome, and when you log in on Chrome, you go to this same place. It's going to take you directly to this ZK Pass where you log in, and you're going to be verifying your account. Now you click on that verify with ZK Pass and just wait for some few seconds. You can see it's showing that it failed. So you click on go back to home and wait for it to load a little bit, and then you click on verify again. Just wait for that a little bit. Now with Chrome browser we made use of right now, okay, the Chrome and the ZK Pass, all right. So just wait for that a little bit. Now you can see congratulations, you have successfully proved yourself. So you're clicking on back to home, and then you wait here a little bit. The Bybit should automatically show verified successfully, as you can see right there. And just one single one that I did right here is showing level 1, unlike the other main account where I needed to actually submit up to 4 proof of verification before this actually showed level 1. Now I've opened the Airdrop Tracker site. That's the Airdrop Matchain.io, and you can see right here the rank has changed to participants, and the level is also reflecting under the info. That's match ID info, and you can see the 0.11 right there as well. So this is quite easy. There is nothing difficult about this, right? You can go ahead at your own leisure, do all these other ones, or just do the few ones you can do. Okay, you can do 1 or 2 and forget the rest. And that was it all, guys. Kindly share, like, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.